what's that noise? I'm snoring again. I can't make it sleep. Guess I just go tell him something. Yo, bro, wake up, man, wake up. Yeah, what's going on, man? I'm trying to go to sleep. Bruh, you're snoring too loud. I can't even go to sleep. It's been 5 hours since I have went to bed. I can't even go to sleep. Like, I just want to go to sleep. I'm tired, man. Could you just stop snoring? Sure, man. I got you. We'll go back to sleep. Thank you, man. I didn't even have to go to bed. Bro. Yeah, what's going on, man? Did I just tell you to stop snoring? Didn't I just tell you to stop snoring? I was snoring, man? What do you think? What do you think? I just explained a whole thing a minute ago to stop snoring. And here you go snoring again. Like, I can't even go to sleep. Man, like, snoring are too dang loud. Well, my bad. You could have slept in the living room, so I could sleep in here. But yeah, I just wanted to sleep on my bed, my own bed. Like, just never mind. Just go back to sleep.